Hello?
Hello.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Can you please introduce yourself?
Okay. My name is Khanh. I'm 12 years old. I'm from Vietnam. I like playing.
And what you don't like?
I don't like sport.
Sport. Okay. Next. Can you please tell me what's your favorite free time activity?
My favorite place in town is
Lotte.
Yeah.
Your favorite place in town. Well, what's your favorite free time activity?
My favorite.
What do you like to do on your free time?
I play with my friend in free time.
Okay. Next. So I want to join the football club. Can you tell me when do they meet? Can you speak louder? I can't hear you.
Wednesday, 10 to 12.
Okay. What about the chess club? When do they meet?
Service on Monday, 3 to 4.
Okay. And if I like computers, what's the club that I should join?
On Tuesday, 9 to 10,
Half past 10. Okay. Next. Can you name 8 types of transport? Cars, bicycles. 8.
Bike, bus, car, motorbike, train, tram, ship, boat.
Okay. So we are in London and you want to buy a ticket to Paris. You want to buy the ticket from me. Okay? Hello, may I help you? You want to buy a ticket to go to Paris. Hello, may I help you?
Yes. I want to buy a ticket
To where?
to Paris.
Okay, how many people? For when?
Tomorrow.
For tomorrow. At 10 o'clock? Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay, here you go. Next. Can you tell me what was your weekend like?
I like.
What did you do on your weekend?
I visit grandpa and grandma.
Okay. Next. Can you tell me, number 1, do you like Japanese food?
Yes, I like.
What do you prefer, Chinese food or Japanese?
I prefer Japanese.
Okay. What's better, Mondays or Fridays?
Friday.
Why?
Because on Friday, in the afternoon, I don't go to school.
Okay, next. Can you tell me what's your favorite, number 2, what's your favorite type of film? Type. Do you like action movies? Do you like horror movies? The news?
Yeah.
Okay, that's not a film, okay. Next. Can you give me the past form of ring? Past form of here? Her. Can you give me a sentence with her? Make a sentence.
I love my mom. To my brother.
Okay. Past form of say?
Say.
Past form of think?
Talk.
Past form of fall?
Feel.
Past form of have?
Have.
Past form of see?
So.
Past form of keep?
Eat.
Good. Next. Can you tell me what time did you get up this morning?
I
What?
got up at 7 o'clock.
Okay. What time did you go to school today?
I went to school at 8 o'clock.
What time did you go to bed last night?
I went to bed at 11 o'clock.
Okay. Next. Can you tell me where did you go on your last holiday?
I went to Tram.
Okay. What did you see?
I see the
I saw.
beach.
Okay. What did you like the most?
I like
The beach, the food, the hotel. The hotel. Good. All right. So Sandra went on holiday. Tell me what she did.